Welcome back, beautiful dancers. It is Jenna from Art Movement Society with another dance and tutorial for us today. And this is for Waltz Across Texas. This is a beautiful waltz. Love just the flow that is created. I know the dancers that I work with, anytime a waltz is on, we just feel it in our bodies. So I think this is a wonderful waltz. A little bit more than a basic waltz, so we got some extra steps here, but I think it's super fun. So when you're ready, make sure you got clear space, comfortable clothing, and we are gonna get ourselves dancing and learning our steps for our Waltz Across Texas. When we're ready, we're gonna start with a twinkle to the right. So we're gonna take our left foot, we're gonna go left, right, left. So we're crossing over the front foot as we step to the side. So we have left, right, left. We're gonna repeat that with the right foot crossing over, right, left, right. So every time that we're crossing and stepping, we're really putting our weight onto that foot. It looks like this with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's just a little crossing, little gentle rotation as we get ourselves set up to cross over again. Right, left, right. Weight is on that right foot. We're going to take a basic or two basic steps forward. So we're going to go left, right, left. So the weight's on the left foot. We're going to do that again with our right foot traveling forward. Right, left, right. So I'm going to scoot myself back here. So we have step together, step, step together, step. So it's 3 steps, always shifting that weight each and every time that we take it. So let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3. Weight is on that right foot. We're going to take 2 basics back now. Start with the left foot. Left, right, left, and then one more time. Right, left, right. So we have step together, step, step together, step. Trying that again from the top. 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, front, 2, 3, front, 2, 3, take it back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Weight is on that right foot. And for everybody, always making the choices that we need. So if we want to make the steps bigger, we sure can. Depending on the tempo of the music, the song that I have chosen today is on a little bit on the slower side, so we could make steps a little bit bigger. If we feel more comfortable keeping those feet underneath ourselves, let's do that, right? Every day is always a new adventure in human bodies, so we make the choices that we need on that day. Let's try it one more time from the top, and we'll add on. 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, front, take it back with the left foot and the right foot. So we just finished with that basic back. We have our weight on our right foot. Now we're going to be traveling to our left. We're going to take it left, right, left. So it's like a little chasse to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to now weave, taking the right foot across the right foot in front of the left, step that left foot to the side, and then we're going to cross that right foot behind. So we're going front, side, back. So we have left, right, left. Here's that weave, cross, side, back. To finish this off, we have lean it left, lean it right, lean it left. So it's just a little shift of our weight side to side. So let's look at that again, that phrasing to the left. We have left, right, left. Now we weave it right, left, right, and we sway it 1, 2, 3. Let me put that together with our counts. Traveling here over to I'm going to scoop myself all the way over so you can see it on the camera. We're going to travel all the way to that left side. So we have left, right, left, weave, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Finishing with the weight on our left foot, we're going to repeat that exact same thing to the right. So we would start with our step together step. So that's our right, left, right. We weave with the left foot, cross the left foot in front, step the right foot to the side, cross that left foot behind, and then we have those little sways, sway, 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 to end with that weight on that right foot. So let's put those two together, traveling to the left and then traveling to our right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3. So you can kind of see how it just kind of blends all together, just flows side to side, just pretty effortlessly. All right, let's try from the top all the way together from the beginning. We started with our left foot crossing over. So we have our little twinkle. We have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 10, 2, 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2, 3. So we end with that weight on our right foot. How are we doing so far? Feeling good? Feel free to always stop the video, go back, keep working on those steps. Otherwise, let's keep going. We're almost at the end. By the way, this is a one-wall dance. So we're going to add in a little turn here that's going to turn ourselves around, but we're going to go back to where we started. So I'm going to show you how that looks. So we just finished with our sway side to side. Weight is on our right foot. We're going to step forward. We're preparing for this half turn. So that left foot is preparing. So slightly rotating ourselves out over our left shoulder. We're going to be making a half turn. We're going to go left, right, left. So now we would be facing our back wall. I'm going to do that again. So we just had sway, 2, 3. Stepping on that left foot, left, right, left. So we're facing our back wall. We just did those 3 steps. We're now going to take our right foot back. I know in the camera it's going to look like I'm using my left foot, but we're going to step back with our right foot. We're going to go back right, left, right. So we're just taking a basic backwards with that right foot. Back, 2, 3. We're going to repeat the step with the turn with that left foot again. So we're preparing ourselves. We're anticipating that turn by gently rotating the leg out. We're going to go left, right, left. So we just made that turn. So we made our half turn. We just made a half turn to bring ourselves back to the beginning. And then we're going to take that basic back, right, left, right. And then we would start the whole dance again. So let's look at that last phrasing. And I know with the camera, it's gonna look like I'm on the opposite foot. Listen to my voice versus what you're mirroring in the camera. So we're gonna start with the left foot as we're turning. So we're going over our left shoulder both times. We're going left, right, left. Then we have back basic right, left, right. Step forward again on the left foot. Left, right, left, back, 2, 3. So without any of the waltz with our footwork, we are making a full turn over our left shoulder. So we're always turning over our left for this dance. And like I said, then we would begin the dance all over from the beginning. Okay, let's put it together from the top. I'm gonna scoop myself here. Here we go. 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3, front, and front. Now we take it back 2 times, back with basic, and back. Travel left, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3. Sway, 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 right, 2, 3. Weave, 2, 3. Sway, sway, sway. Here's that turn, basic to the back. Turn ourselves about and back. Get up to go 1, 2, 3. Cross, 2, 3, front, and front. Travel back with the left foot. Take the right foot. Now we go to the left. Step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3. To the right we travel, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, turn. To the back, one more time, turn, to the back. And then we would take that left foot to start our dance all over again. All right, feel free to stay right where you are or go back, check out some of those steps again in slower detail. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a little aerial view of the footwork and then we're gonna get dancing to our music. Starting with our aerial view of our footwork, we're gonna take our left foot. We have cross, 2, 3 again, cross, 2, 3. Here comes our basic, forward and forward. Take it back with our left foot. Left foot leads back and right foot leads back. Then we're gonna travel 1, 2, 3. Here comes the weave.
cross, side, back, sway, sway, sway. As we travel to the right, 1, 2, 3. Here comes the weave, cross, side, back, sway, sway, sway. Here's our turn. Anticipating that turn with that left foot, step, step. Now we're facing our back wall to then travel back, 1, 2, 3. Take that turn again. Left, right, left, back, 2, 3.
Starting with our left foot with our twinkle, weights on that right, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Basic front with the left, basic front with the right. Now we'll travel back, back, and back. Traveling to our left, we have our step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, right, weaving left, right, left, sway, 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 turn in left shoulder, take it back, and a step as we turn over that left shoulder, back it up. Starting from the top, 1, 2, 3, right, travel front. Nice and easy. We can imagine that we're just gliding across our dance floor and back, traveling to our left. Step together, step, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross, side, back, 1, 2, 3, and turning over that left shoulder as we back it up. Anticipating that turn, so we got a little bit of that turn of the foot to prepare ourselves. And 1. Breathing it out as we step it forward and front. Traveling back and back as we take it to our left. 1, 2, 3, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross, side, cross, 1, 2, 3, and turn out. Traveling back, and we turn it out. Traveling back, back to the top. 1 and 2. As we get more comfortable with it, we can always add our arms and have upper body flow, taking those steps as big or as small as we need. Traveling it out, left, right, left, weave, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross, side, back, sway. Here's that turn, 1, and back, traveling front to 1, travel back, breathing 1, and 2, and front, take it front. Now we go back to that left leading, left leads, and the right leads as we travel in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, sway, sway, sway. We'll finish our dance there. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much for dancing along with me today. I hope you are proud of yourself, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye, everybody.